In the last lesson, we talked about how to create engaging content. Now we're going to talk about how to organize that content, and we're going to make it into what we call collections using Stencil. One thing I like about Stencil is that it allows you to organize all the content you've created into collections. And you can think of that as sort of a folder. Just go to the Saved Images section, and at the top, click the Collections link, and then under Create a Collection, you can give it a name and you're done. To add an image to a collection, you just have to go to the image, simply click on this icon, then go to Collection and choose the collection where you want to add your image. After having all your content organized, you're ready to use automatic programming, which we'll talk about in the next video. But before we go to that, I want to show you how to manually post to social media sites directly from Stencil. To do this, you have to access your account and go to Settings. And from there you can connect your account to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Once you've done that, you can select the image you want to post, click Share, and from there you can then end the post manually. That's it for this lesson where we showed you how to manage your content in Stencil and how to publish it manually. If you want to learn how to schedule your posts automatically, don't miss the next lesson. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more courses. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
And if you're serious about learning and advancing your career, I highly recommend checking out Wiserr.io, where with a free subscription, you will be able to earn certificates for the courses you watch here on our YouTube channel. You will also find several premium courses that you can't find anywhere else. Visit Wiserr.io today.